Midwender.
Castle 34 Mike Hotel, request Castle 34 Mike Hotel. At Delta 2, give way to the inbound dash 8, passing right to left along taxiway Kilo, 7 Kilo Juliet Mike 1. Give way to the west, and then Juliet Mike 7736 for the squawk.
Air Canada 255, 50 Vancouver, Bravo 5, Romeo, departure 23 right, squawk 772.
So that 255, that'll be back. What's correct? Advise when ready.